The warming will bring melting. Melting will bring water. Water will bring floods. How many and where, we can't tell you. We are preparing now for more flooding than we have seen in a long, long time. To move vehicles, the vehicles need a place to go, and therefore we're going to start lifting driving bans and opening roads primarily to move vehicles that are now blocking roadways, and primarily to allow deliveries of essential services.
We know there are more than 5,000 individuals right now in our community working to deal with this storm, which was a significant storm, which unfortunately, as we've said, has taken lives, and as we confirmed just recently, 13 lives.
If you are coming down into your basement and you see water on the floor, do not go into the basement. Call for assistance. If there is the potential of items that are still plugged in and there is water, please call 911.